Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. I'm at the salvage yard today and I decided to look to see if either one of these trucks, this one or this one, had the water resistant mirror glass coating, and this one does. If you see there, it has a special symbol there that indicates that these mirrors are water resistant. I noticed our mirrors gather water pretty quick. So what you want to do is try to pull these out and unsnap them. You got to release those clips in there. So let me get in there and release those clips, and I'll show you when I get it out. I folded the mirrors down as far as I could, and I used a long screwdriver to push the tip of this up while I had pressure on it, and it unlatched. Then I did one more, and then it just kind of popped out. So they just pop in, and you want to make sure you have these things here. I dropped the other one down here. Let me grab that. All right, I'm done for the day here.